how to set up Google Authenticator on crypto.com. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have additional security on our account over here by enabling our two-way authenticator. So simply click on the hamburger icon over here on the top right and click on settings. In this page, click on security, and over here you can see that we have a two-factor authentication. Simply select that and enable this. As you can see, enter your password, and over here simply scan the code or paste the following code or data over here provided to you and paste it into our Google Authenticator over here. After that, you will then be able to connect and set up the Google Authentication for your crypto.com account and app. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.